Hello everyone, we're gonna take some strand of hair starting by the first, and then we're gonna make a knot by using a rubber band as follows, and then repeating the same with some more strands of hair. Next, we're gonna take some hair from one side, adding more hair one by one and making this braid by covering all of the hair at the back. When it's ready, just repeat the same with the other side as well and joining both of them together at the back and add any clip as per your choice. Next, we are going to take all of the hair making a low ponytail, and then we're going to fold it out like this. Once it's done, we're going to add another rubber band at the bottom making a space in the middle, and then we're going to start by folding it like this into a low shape bun and adding this beautiful clutcher for securing the bun. Next, we're going to take some strands of hair starting by the first, and then using this rubber band, we're going to fold it out and making this knot following this beautiful pattern with the rest of the hair. Next, we're going to take a high ponytail and then making a braid from that. Taking the remaining hair from the ponytail, adding a rubber band, making a space in the middle and making this beautiful bow from the hair, and the hairstyle is done.